Hi lovelies, welcome back, or if you're new here, you're very welcome. I'm Linz. So this is going to be the last one of these hauls I'm going to be able to do for a little while, but you never know, might be able to get some more people to pop out and pick me bits up, we shall see. So I was in my Dealz, or as you know in the UK it's called Poundland, yesterday, and I picked up quite a big stash of stuff. So I'm just going to see if I can turn the camera around a little bit, lovelies, so you can have a look at the bag. And I apologise if it's a bit noisy. Okay, so we have this, and as you can see on the bag, it says, get your party on. Yeah, so that is exactly what I'm trying to do now at the moment, you know, in my little room. But we'll get in. There's a few bits and pieces I can't show you, I'm afraid, because they're gifts for other people. But I got things like, you know, we're all in a panic rush at the minute. I got things like toilet rolls and bits and pieces like that. I'm not going to show you any of that. You all know what a bog loo roll, toilet roll looks like at this stage. Christ, here we go. So I actually got kind of ripped off a little bit yesterday in the deal shop I went into, the Poundland. These were advertised with a big sign on the shelf to say that they were 2 for €1.50 and it was a maximum of 2 per person. Seriously, I wish I took pictures now. But they're just 2 boxes of tissues. What is there meant to be in them? 110 tissues each. You know, your nose, make sure you're blowing and stuff and getting rid of things like that straight away at the moment. So yeah, anyway, I ended up paying £1.50 each of them. Did I just say that? Yeah, I don't know whether I did. Then I picked up 3 packs of wipes. Now these are the antibacterial wipes with witch hazel and all that kind of stuff in. They're probably meant for your face, but these on my face now would literally send me into a meltdown mode. But they have all your good stuff in, like your alcohol, your polyphenol over there. I have no idea what that was, but they've got zinc, they've got aloe vera, niacinamide, all that kind of thing in, targeted for face, but they're going to be hand wipes in my house, I'm afraid. So then, my all-time favourite, I don't know what I'm even saying today, lovelies, I really don't. So we have if you've seen a haul before, you'll know I love these wee pound biscuits. They only had 1 pack left. They were 75¢. I'm happy enough with that. It's a little treat for me. Lots of wipes in this bag. I got some of the sensitive Johnston baby wipes. £1.50. I don't know if that's good or not, or whether you probably get them. Well, you probably can't now, but I think you could have probably got them cheaper somewhere else before. I'm not sure. So I've got some blue things that pop into your toilet in purple, because, well, you know, I love purple and I like to see the purple water in the loo. Just don't ask. Then I managed to pick up 2 nail brushes there, which, you know, £1.50 for 2, 1 for the kitchen, 1 for the bathroom, all that kind of stuff. They had absolutely none of this on the shelf, but this is a big bottle of the Medex, and it's the antibacterial moisturising, I think it is, hand wash. Didn't care about the moisturising bit, just needed some antibacterial hand wash. I actually found this just in a random section of the shop that maybe somebody had picked up and decided to put back down. I'm not sure. Maybe they realised they had 20 already, you know, couldn't afford another one. The panic buying is ridiculous at the minute, it really is. But I can understand it in some cases, I can. Then I picked up some of the Sephora. And this was the lavender. Do you know, I don't even know what this smells like. It's disinfectant. I know it's a good product. So I'm going to have a sniff. Oh, it actually smells quite fresh. Not like sort of like your musky type lavender. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. You can also water this down, lovelies, and put it into a spray bottle and use it on your work surfaces. Kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses including E. coli, MRSA, Salmonella, Listeria, influenza type A, H1N1 and apparently the human herpes virus. There we go, just some useless information on the side of the box. Try to be a bit cautious of if you've got animals when using that product, because they can react to it. That's all I want to say there. What else did I do? Oh, talking of animals? I don't know. Some of the wee chicken wing things, they've got like a calcium bone, but it's like dried chicken with rice bits in. My little Yorkie loves them. And then I picked up some bigger chewy sticks for my big Rottweiler. Don't know where I've got to. Oh yeah, just something really boring, and it's pack of two, and it's the clear sort of parcel tape stuff. I've got a lot of parcels to get sent off, friend mails, bits and pieces like that, so that's that. Oh, 2 makeup-y type products. So Rachel, this is your fault. I know you're watching. I picked up one of these, and it's the Python by Maybelline, and it's the lip kit of sort of like, what does it say, metallic lip kit. Now they had this in sort of like golds and purples, and I didn't go for the purple. I went for this bluey type colour, so I'm looking forward to giving that a go with one of my blue eyeshadow palettes. Got all mad. Then, God, here we go, I did get a purple, and it's a body type face glitter as well, so you can stick this anywhere. It's all sort of like, what's it called, biodegradable glitter. So I'm not really sure how that works, but yeah, cool. It's purple, it was glittery, it was sparkly, and I was so happy to see it. So, next up, where are we going here? Oh yes, if you watched my previous video, you'll know that I keep picking up these now. Well, this is my second pack. I don't keep picking them up. I'm not like addicted. Well, you never know. They're absolutely amazing. They're the baby wipes. You'll find them in the baby section. They're absolutely amazing for taking your makeup off with. They really, really are. And I'm actually using one at the moment as well for things like polishing. I've got a glass table in my sitting room, mirrors, things like that. They're really good. Really good. So maybe the windows too. And the car, if, you know, I can ever manage to get back out and polish it. So we're going on to, now these were a strange find for me in my Dealz, because I've never ever seen Yankee Candle in there before. So let me know, wherever you are in the world, country, wherever, if you've seen Yankee Candles in your Dealz or Poundland. But these were in the scent Cherry Bakewell Tart, and they smell absolutely amazing. So as soon as I'm finished here, I'm sticking one of these in my little pot, and I'm going to give one of them a go and see what it's like. I picked up this, guys, right? Now, I normally get, I think it's called the argan oil one of these masks. This was the hemp hair mask for dry damaged hair, enriched with organic hemp oil, green tea extract and lemon peel extract. Gives strong, sleek, shiny hair. Paraben free, sulfate free and dermatologically tested. Is it sealed? No. Right. Oh, it's got a real fresh smell to it. But yeah, that's €1.50 for that jar. I get a good while out of them hair masks, and I use a lot of hair products. As you can tell, it's, yeah. So, I will, if you want to know how I get on with that, let me know. I'll do an update. If you've watched any of my sort of videos, you'll know my Epsom salts lavender are a must. So I managed to get one of them. And then I was extremely excited to see this, because it's the first time I've seen it in our sort of shops. But it's the same brand, and it's the Epsom salts bath and shower gel with the lavender. Now, I'd seen a few people do hauls and things like that over in the UK, and they were getting this, and I'd never seen it here, and I was like, I really want to try that because I love the salts. So I'm going to have a go with that this evening, because I really do need a shower or a bath or something at this stage. My hair looks quite good actually on camera, but it's really greasy, guys. It's like, yeah, really bad. So I can't show you what else is in that bag. I do apologise, because they're all surprise gifts. So thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know if you've got any of these things, you know. Can you get hand sanitizer anywhere? That's a big question at the moment. If you follow me over on my Facebook page or my Instagram, you'll know exactly what I'm kind of taking the mick out of here. I'll drop all them links down below. Make sure you go over and check them out. I shall talk to you again in my next video, which I'm filming straight after this, funnily enough. Or you maybe won't get to see it for a few days. So lots of love, guys. Please, if you're not already subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. I shall speak to you all very, very soon. I think I've already said that. Hey, you know. Take care, lovelies, and stay safe. Bye.